Unlock your full potential. Welcome to our video on how mindfulness can boost productivity. If you are looking to improve your focus, reduce stress, and increase your overall well-being, mindfulness can be a powerful tool. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of mindfulness and how it can help improve productivity, as well as provide tips and strategies for incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine. Whether you're new to mindfulness or you're looking to take your practice to the next level, this video will provide valuable insights and guidance to help you boost your productivity and achieve your goals. So if you're ready to learn more about how mindfulness can boost productivity, join us and let's get started. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing one's attention to the present moment, without judgment. It involves paying attention to one's thoughts, feelings, and sensations in a non-reactive way, and can be a helpful tool for improving focus, reducing stress, and increasing well-being. There are many ways that mindfulness can help in work, including 1. Improved focus and productivity. Mindfulness can help improve focus and attention, which can lead to increased productivity and efficiency. 2. Reduced stress and anxiety. Mindfulness can help reduce stress and anxiety by providing a sense of calm and clarity, which can improve overall well-being. 3. Enhanced decision-making. Mindfulness can help improve decision-making by increasing awareness and clarity, and by reducing impulsive reactions. 4. Improved communication and collaboration. Mindfulness can help improve communication and collaboration by increasing empathy and understanding, and by reducing conflicts. 5. Greater creativity and innovation. Mindfulness can help increase creativity and innovation by improving focus, clarity, and openness to new ideas. There are many ways to practice mindfulness in the workplace, including meditation, yoga, and mindful breathing exercises. By incorporating mindfulness into your work routine, you can improve your focus, reduce stress, and increase overall well-being. But how can we practice mindfulness? Here are some examples that you can practice in your daily life. 1. Meditation. Meditation involves sitting quietly and focusing on your breath, a mantra, or a physical sensation. You can find guided meditation videos or apps to help you get started. 2. Mindful breathing. Mindful breathing involves focusing on your breath as it enters and exits your body. You can practice this anytime, anywhere, by simply taking a few deep breaths and focusing on the sensation of the breath. 3. Body scan. A body scan involves lying down or sitting comfortably and focusing on each part of your body, starting at your feet and moving up to your head. As you focus on each part, take a few deep breaths and try to relax and release any tension. 4. Mindful eating. Mindful eating involves paying attention to the sights, sounds, smells, and tastes of your food, and savoring each bite. You can practice mindful eating by turning off distractions like the TV or phone and focusing on your food. 5. Mindful movement. Mindful movement involves bringing your attention to your body and your surroundings as you move, whether you're walking, running, or practicing yoga. You can practice mindful movement by focusing on your breath and your body as you move. In conclusion, mindfulness is a powerful tool that can help boost productivity, reduce stress, and increase well-being. By incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine, you can improve your focus, clarity, and overall performance. Whether you're new to mindfulness or you're looking to take your practice to the next level, there are many ways to incorporate mindfulness into your life, including meditation, mindful breathing, body scans, mindful eating, and mindful movement. By adopting these practices, you can improve your productivity, performance, and well-being. and achieve your goals more effectively. So if you're ready to boost your productivity and increase your well-being, try incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.